गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन।
So
जिन
the
बच्चों
public
का
toilets,
असेसमेंट
the
हो चुका
roadside
है
public toilets are generally
हमारे
sound to be
जूरी
unclean.
मेंबर
This is
जिन
because
जिन सदस्यों
maximum
का
people out
अवलोकन
there
कर चुके
are not
हैं
in the habit of
उससे
flushing
आग्रह
after they
है
use the public
कि अपना
toilets.
अपना
So
लंच का
in
कूपन
order to
लेकर
keep them
जिला स्कूल
clean,
के
I have
हॉल में
tried to
चले
create
जाएंगे।
this model. This system will basically not allow a person to get
लंच के
outside the
पश्चात
washroom without flushing.
द्वितीय
So
सत्र
in order to get inside the
समापन
washroom, the person will
समारोह
just
का
have to press
आयोजन
this call bell
पुनः
switch
शुरू हो
outside,
जाएगा।
which is connected to the
सभी
solenoid
बच्चे
locker
और
inside the
मार्गदर्शक
washroom, which
शिक्षक
works on the principle of
जिनके
electromagnetism.
प्रदर्शन का अवलोकन हो
When the
चुका
person
है
gets inside the washroom,
अपने अपने लंच
he'll
कूपन के
just shut the door,
साथ
and there's another manual lock present inside the
हॉल
washroom
में चले जाएंगे।
for safety
लंच के
purposes. Like if a person is already inside the washroom, another one cannot get inside. Now when the person is all done and he'll try to get outside the washroom without flushing, he or she will not be able to come. Like he'll try to come outside the washroom without flushing by just opening the manual door. The door will not open. And when he goes back again and flushes and then tries to come outside the washroom, the door will get unlocked. And since flush takes a certain period of time to get back to its position again, that time period can be used by the person to get outside the washroom. And like if in case there is any kind of emergency, in that case this emergency buzzer can be used